we're going to do something cool today, so let's get into it. So this is a presentation slide, and I'm going to go to the Elements tab and look for a text box. I need the graphics, not the photos. So we take this one, position it on the corner. You can change the color if you prefer. Let's put it to purple, and let's resize it a bit. Yeah. The next thing you want to duplicate, you can press Ctrl D and have a duplicate. Position it like that. Or also you can duplicate using this plus sign and position it there as well. And duplicate another such that you have 4 squares. So let's change the color of 2 of them. Let's put maybe orange, and this one also you can put as orange. Yeah. So the next thing, let's add text to the 4 boxes. You can put any text, or you can use Canva AI to generate something. I think I'm going to focus on using maybe seasons of the year, so I can prompt Canva AI to give me that. We have the text, so you can do a bit of formatting on the text. You can change the fonts. Say, I really love this Anton font, so you can use that one. Maybe change all of them. Okay, but this one you can have maybe AM Sans just for the readability. There we go. I think 40 is good. Yeah, can do 20. Okay, so that is done. So the next step, we want to increase this. We want to group all of them such that every text box and texts are grouped. So you can drag, group, do the same for all of them. That is complete. So the next step, we want to enlarge this text box. That is good. Once you enlarge it, you want to reduce transparency of the others. So let's put maybe 25 for all of them. That is done. The next step is to duplicate the page. Now to the duplicated page. The focus is on the second one. Then this one will go back to be a smaller size like it was initially. Position it there. Reduce its transparency to 25. Make transparency for this one 100. Position it correctly. Next step, duplicate the page again. For this third one, do the same process. Reduce this one. To the initial size. Like the rest, reduce its transparency at 25. Then this is the third one that we're focusing on, so enlarge it. You want it to be the same size as the initial one, so yeah, that was it. So the next step for it is increase its transparency to 100, and that's it. Next step, duplicate the page again. Yeah, the duplicated page. Reduce this one to the smaller version. Ensure to reduce the transparency again to 25. The fourth focus is this one. You want to enlarge it. (901) for 95 dimension is the one that I've been using, so I'm trying to achieve it. Sorry for the background noises. Increase transparency to 100, and there you go. You can play around with everything if you want, but we'll go with this for now. After all that, the next final step is to add transition. Click add transition, move down and find the match and move transition. Increase the seconds to desired time. You can use 2 seconds and ensure to apply between all pages. And there you go. So let's go to present full screen mode. If we scroll, this is what you achieve. Cool, right? This way you can make your presentations better and never get your audience to be bored, because they'll be experiencing these cool transitions.